In this video, I'll show you how to set up depth of field and create beautiful bokeh effects in 3D Max with Corona. I've set up the camera view. For close-ups, you need a narrow angle, usually starting around 80mm and up. Next, set the target distance right on the object you want to keep in focus. Then enable depth of field. Let's start interactive render. Now it's time to adjust the f-stop. The lower the value, the more intense the blur, and the focus really pops on your subject. For this render, I'll stick with f-stop 2. If I change the target distance now, you can see the focus shifts to the background while the foreground becomes blurred. But I'll go back to the previous setting. Now I'll show you how to make the bokeh more interesting than the default. By overriding it and adding a custom map, you can get a much more artistic blur. In the material editor, right-click, choose Corona bitmap from Maps, and load your texture. I used a simple texture like this one. It's easy to create in Photoshop, or just download something similar. Drag the map into the bokeh slot to apply it. And instead of the standard blur, you'll get more interesting result. Here's the default blur on the left, and here's the custom bokeh on the right. Much more creative and artistic. And of course, don't limit yourself to one map. Try different shapes, experiment, and you might find a bokeh style that fits your render perfectly. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.